That's gang. What it do? Guys, how are you? Okay guys, so today I thought, you know what, a few people have been asking for this in the Discord, which by the way you should join. So I was just like, yeah, let's do it. I'm just gonna do a stock plugin challenge. We're gonna make a what was I gonna make again? We're gonna make a stock plugin Metro Boomin type beat. Should be fun. No, it shouldn't, because I'm not gonna be able to use Omnisphere, so that's not gonna be fun at all. But you know what? No, you see, stock plugin challenges are good because they help you get out of your comfort zone and it helps test your sound design skills. That's what I was gonna say. So I'm gonna go look through stuff, and oh yeah, and I'm also gonna put another constraint on me. Can't use citrus because I use that a lot as well. So yeah, this is gonna be even harder now. Jesus Christ. All right. I don't even know what other plugins there are. If you haven't done already, join the Discord. All right, don't forget to do that. Also, don't forget to like the video, comment on it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button, okay? If you don't, you really need to just click off the video, honestly. Like, I don't know what else to say. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. You need to see these videos, all right? You need to see them. So, yeah. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna be on my computer. What plugin am I gonna use now? Okay, so none of these are all disqualified. Hammer, beat map, auto gun, plucked. Oh boy, morphine. I've heard of morphine. Let's see what we can do. So let's see what morphine does. Okay, where are the? Oh, what? I'm pretty sure this is where the presets are supposed to be. What? All right. I guess morphine's not gonna work. Toxic biohazard. Alright, okay, so is this like a prank or something? Or none of these stock plugins have presets? Like, I don't. Alright. This is pissing me off. Alright, I'm gonna try this. Okay, this sounds kind of cool. I don't know what this is. What are we doing here? See, okay, so that's pretty cool chord progression with that nice little pad, okay? And we're using Sine Weepy. I'm pretty sure this is a what's it called, plugin? A stock plugin, because I've never seen this before. So, yeah. Alright, it's cool. Oh, I want to use a flute so badly. Oh my gosh. I want to use that container flute, but it's not a stock plugin. Oh my god, this is a pretty cool. I like this though. Let me add a little bit of reverb there though. Alright, I'm gonna get a next piano melody. Obviously I'm not gonna use FL keys, but I'm gonna use it just as a reference for now. Because I don't have anything else to use. I can't use Nexus or anything. Oops, that's not the piano I want. Let's try this. Wait a minute. Hold on, let me see. Yo, hold on, I'm adding that reverb. Hold on a second. That actually, you know what? I take back what I said. Maybe we're using FL keys. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see this. Actually, you know what? That's a bit. It's just too long for a loop. We don't need a loop that long. We don't. It sounds fine. Like. Wait, gross beats is stock plugin, right? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Gross beats is stock plugin. But of course it is. But yeah, I knew that. Hell yeah. Of course, gross beats is stock plugin. And y'all thought I needed Omnisphere. You thought I needed Omnisphere. Don't get it twisted. I love me some Omnisphere, okay? But I don't need it. I don't need it. Trust. I don't need it. I don't need it. Trust. But you know, let's just get into the 808s. Forget it. Let's just do the 808s. Alright. Wait a minute. All right, you know what? Let's go to the hi-hats now. Let's go to the hi-hats. Where are the hi-hats at? Some hi-hats in there. That just gave me an idea. Holy crap. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I kind of need a clap, don't I? I'm not a clap, a kick. Let me get, where's my kick? Hold on a second. Wait. Where's the kick? Let's get this kick out. There we go. All right. wave shape. Well, guys, there you go. There is my stock plug-in Metro Boomin type beat. I literally said in the video, probably not gonna use FL keys. Obviously, I'm not gonna use FL keys, and I ended up using it because normally FL keys is trash, but then you put some effects on it, that thing could slap. All right, so hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Join the Discord, of course. All right, if you want to talk to me, if you want to talk to my other subscribers, you know what I'm saying? It's a great place to be. I guess I'm gonna have to see y'all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate every single one of you guys. See y'all later. Peace.